channel. So I'm Nidhi Bhuvila.
And I'm Danyata.
And I'm Ankita.
Okay guys, guess what? Today we are going to unbox kinderjoy Harry Potter, and it's long waited. This is like we waited for so long. We thought the stocks were over, and I am not a person who usually goes to shopping with my mom, especially grocery shopping. And suddenly today I felt like going, and I went. And after shopping, I just saw a small section, and I found these. They hid this, bro. They hid this, and there was like only 8. First, I thought, okay, let me take one for me, and then I took one for Dani, and then like, okay, let's take one for Ankita, and then I went counting. Last 8 left. If anybody wants to go get a Harry Potter kinderjoy, please go to Reliance Mart, which is near church stop. Okay guys, I'm going to give them for free.
Free.
Guys, go behind the scenes.
Yeah, definitely go behind the scenes.
Hey, no recording. Let's not go behind the scenes. Okay, let's just unbox it. Okay, let's unbox it. Okay.
I want to open first. What do you guys want? Like, what do you wish to have?
You want Draco? Even I want Draco.
I want Harry Potter because it's the only character I know.
Draco is the one with the white hair.
Okay.
Okay, this
It's a. I thought it was a guy.
yeah, it's not a girl. It's not a girl. Okay. Oh my god.
Okay.
So this. Bro, this is crazy. This is crazy.
This was really hard to get. Like really hard to get.
Ankita, tell me where and all you searched for this. Whole city? Which city? Mysore city. No, wait, Bangalore city. Okay, who's going to open first? Okay, rock, paper, scissors. Loser opens first. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. You This is crazy. Okay. I opened it. Next is going to open this. This is the food. Yeah, this is the food. I hope I get something good. I don't want to get stickers. Train, no, please. I don't want to waste. Yo, this is scary.
Who is it?
Oh, I got run! Oh wow, I got run. Okay, now I'm not so sad. I'm satisfied. It's like Squid Games, bro. It's like Squid Games. This is mine. Bring me run.
You can use it as a charger, right?
Yeah, this is nice. Okay, Ankita.
Okay.
No, wait, rock paper.
You go. Why do you need an organization?
Squid Games. Draco. If you get Draco, please share it with me. Oh no! She got the train. This is disgusting.
It's not even playing, bro.
Minus 20 or oh, that's minus $100.
We got something which we don't know, and we didn't know this existed. Let's see.
It's a castle?
Oh, it's a castle.
Okay, it's a castle sticker.
No, we'll put the sticker later. Dani, last.
Yeah, my turn. Okay, I'll take this one first.
Dani gets Harry Potter.
Yeah.
At least
Something. I got drawn, bro. I got drawn. Ah! No! This is so sad. This is so sad.
I lost all of my aura now.
Oh no. I don't know why kinderjoy is doing this thing. Squid Games. Kinder Games.
Let's set it up.
Okay, next one we're going to open it together.
Setting it up.
We'll set it up later. No, I'm so excited to see the rest of. No,
I think it's gonna be in the same order.
Oh no, wait. This is this. This is your food. This is one of my favorite treat. Favorite. Like, this is the best. God.
Oh my god!
Oh,
I'm good.
Hey, wait,
Oh wait, I think this is planned. This is
Yeah.
planned. This is pre-planned.
So let me guess. Next you're gonna get.
Wait, this is Draco or what? What does it do?
Yeah,
I think it's a bookmark. I guess it's
I don't read books, guys.
Yeah, it's a bookmark. It's.
Shit, I didn't want this bookmark.
Maybe I need it for my board exams book.
Draco.
Okay,
Last,
then
I think I'm gonna get a train this time.
it's not a train. Okay.
Nobody got Harry.
I think it is all planned.
Oh, please, Harry Potter.
Okay, last one. We'll go rock paper scissors
Okay.
-1.
Okay.
You know rock paper scissors -1.
Oh, this game.
Yeah, 3, 2, 1.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
-1.
Ayo! Oh no.
No.
Okay, I'm going to open first.
I won, so I gotta open. This is not fair.
Yeah, you gotta open.
Let me guess. It's gonna
If
be.
she gets a Ron, then
It's
it's
clear.
planned.
Oh, I got something different. It's the bird.
She got a novel.
Yeah, it's the bird.
There's a rubber.
What is this for? What is this bird for?
Oh, this is a
Oh, you
charger.
get okay. You put it to your pencil and then you shoot it. Oh no, you just put it to your pencil. No shooting it. Yeah, only to your pencil.
Okay. Ankita, rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
-1.
Wait, I won.
No, people who lose should.
I will go to shop again. And then look at things, join the company.
No, people who lost should open, right?
Okay.
Oh, I got Harry.
Harry Potter. Okay, guys, this is the 9th Kinder Joy. We are going to open the Harry Potter 9th last one. I just hope I don't get trained, please.
You got the bird like me.
Oh my god, we have 2 owls in the home.
I think I'm lucky to got Harry.
Yeah.
Not fair.
Danny got one. Oh no, Danny didn't get anybody. He got owl. The owl. Nice setup.
Who was born in 20 really knows what is the feel of Kinder Joy.
So this is Ron and this is Harry.
Man, she got 2. Not fair. Why you didn't get 1? Not fair. Yeah, but guys, the close up for an owl, the castle, and the bookmarks. Ron, Harry Potter, and Ron. They're Ron twins.
And bird twins.
Bird twins. Oh yeah.
Bird twins.
And this is same. Oh wait, we except for Harry Potter, we got everything same. Oh my god. Guys, we just switched it. This is Harry and this is Ron. And this is the bird. Okay, we're going to eat. This spoon, I don't know which side we are supposed to eat. Unbox this guys, right? In front of a camera. Woo! Not satisfying taste, but satisfying cream. I'm going to make you guys crave for the Kinder Joy. Okay guys, that's all for this video.
Bye. Thank you for watching.
If somebody is very kind-hearted, please send us another box of Harry Potter Kinder Joy.
So we can find Hermione.
Yeah. In search of Hermione, she's lost. If any,
Hashtag search Hermione.
search Hermione on Draco. And obviously,